Hi everybody, my name is Lynette. Thank you so much for clicking on my channel. Today our video is going to be a little bit different. Instead of starting in my garden, we're going to be going across the street to my neighbors because they are expecting a very special delivery in just a few minutes. Come on.
Hi. Hi, beautiful. Oh, aren't you a cutie pie?
Here, I'll take one. Well, hi,
A little gross,
Stinky.
but
Little Stinky.
a little stinky.
Little Stinky.
These are the 7, I believe. These are the 7, right? Yes. Okay. These are going to the 8 run.
All right.
You can do a little thing.
They are cute though. Yes, bath time. You want to give me one? You got a black one.
This was the 4.
Hey, hey, hi there. Hi. Oh, what are you doing? Hi. 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 Oh, so scared. So scared. All right. Hi there. All right, so we are across the street at my neighbors. They run Paws for the Cause Dog Rescue, and they just received a shipment of puppies from down south. So we're unloading them from the van right now. And we are teaming up. They are going to be doing an open house on July 16th from 11 to 3, and they are located in Blossville, New York. So if you would like to come and look at some puppies and then step across the street and take a quick tour of my garden, you are more than welcome. A couple things you need to know ahead of time though first is that there is an application, whoops, come on, up. There is an application process to adopt a puppy. I'll put the website on the screen and in the description so you can go online and complete your application. And you do need to have the application completed and approved before you can adopt a puppy. So please do that at least a week ahead of time. Hi, hi, hi. So you have to fill out the application because we do want these puppies to go to the best homes possible. And as I mentioned, 11 to 3 on the 16th. And then you can step over to my garden. And then from 4 to 7, the Master Gardeners are having an open house down in Oriskany. So if you'd like to come to Oneida County, New York and spend the day doing some plants and puppies, you're more than welcome. So we got to get these guys inside. They need a bath really, really bad. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Hi! Hi! Hello, everybody! Hello, hello, hello! 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 Yes, hello! Hello, hello! Yes, hello, everybody! Hello!
Fancy.
So they're trying to be friends now.
Yes. Oh my gosh.
And these guys are all into his white one. Otis. So I just every 5 minutes. I follow him around with a mop when he's out here. I'm like, all right, Otis.
Weren't they the cutest darn things? I know it was hard to hear me over all their yipping and yapping, so I want to go over things one more time. On July 16th, Paws for the Claws in Blossville, New York is going to have an open house where you can come and you can meet the puppies. If you're interested in adopting, you do have to have an approved application on file. So I will put a link to their website so you can reach out to them regarding that. Directly across the street, are my gardens. You can come over and you can wander around and see what's happening here. And then from 4 to 7, the Master Gardeners in Oneida County are going to have an open house at the Parker Scripture Botanical Gardens. They're located on the grounds of the Cornell Cooperative Extension of Oneida County, and that's from 4 to 7. So if you're interested in coming to Oneida County and spending the day, you can do puppies and plants together. If you have questions regarding the puppies, please reach out to Paws for the Cause. If you have questions about the Parker Scripture Garden and their open house, reach out to the Master Gardeners, and I will put a phone number on the page for you to reach out to them. If you have questions for me, you know where to find me. I'm right here on YouTube. So come on out. I hope to see you on the 16th to come and visit my gardens and cuddle some puppies.